Hello, welcome to the PARS Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about how to get glowing skin using caffeine. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. While coffee is primarily used as a hot or cold beverage, many people may know coffee just as a morning energy booster drink that keeps our body and mind fresh and revived. What most people don't know about coffee is its benefits for the skin. You may spend a lot of money on fancy skin products, but you don't know how much the coffee you drink every day can help you to have glowing skin. Coffee gives your mind and body energy and verve, and can do the same with your skin and hair. The reason is, it's rich in antioxidants, which is an ingredient that has a strong impact on collagen production and removing impurities. Antioxidants and collagen help out our skin to fight free radicals which damage the skin. In this video, we will share some of the best homemade recipes of coffee masks for different issues of skin like puffiness, irritation, etc. So, stay tuned with us to learn how to use caffeine to make your skin smoother, brighter, younger, and fresher. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Coffee is a body scrub. As you may know, caffeine is one of the expensive ingredients of body lotions or body scrubs that claim to reduce cellulite. Since caffeine dilates blood vessels that are beneath the skin, it decreases the appearance of dimply skin temporarily. So when you scrub your body with caffeine, it boosts blood flow under the skin and makes your body look more even and smoother as well as brighter. You can make coffee body scrub by the ingredients which are available everywhere. Just mix 1 part of coffee with 1 part of sugar and 2 parts of coconut or sweet almond oil. Another scrub you can make with coffee is the mixture of coffee, Dead Sea salt, and jojoba oil, which will be a great treatment for cellulite and also for having a moisturized smooth skin. Massage these scrubs gently for 5 to 7 minutes before you take a bath. Make sure you put on moisturizer after that and do not scrub your skin more than 2 times a week. Coffee mask as eye pack. Because of its rich antioxidant properties, coffee can brighten the stubborn dark circle around the eyes and also eye puffiness, which are 2 big issues for some people who always complain about those dark circles and puffiness under their eyes. Caffeine has been used in eye cream ingredients because it can tighten blood vessels. Its antioxidants properties help the skin to reduce toxins, which makes skin look brighter and fresher. For using coffee as an eye pack, you just need cotton balls and a cup of coffee. Put the cotton balls in coffee for 1 or 2 minutes, and then squeeze them to reduce the extra liquid. Put the cotton on the dark circles under your eyes for 15 to 20 minutes. You can also add olive oil if you have no combination or oily skin. Use this pack twice a week. Coffee is a face mask for glowing your skin. This mask acts as a great exfoliate for your skin because of coffee's rich amount of caffeine and lactic acid in the milk. They remove toxins and free radicals from your skin and will give you glowing skin. Right after you use this mask, you will see the changes. What you need is 1 tablespoon of coffee powder and 1.5 tablespoons of raw milk. Mix them and apply them to your clean skin. After 20 minutes, rinse your face with cold water. You can use this mask 3 times a week. Coffee is a face mask for whitening your skin as well as an acne treatment. When you want to use the benefits of antioxidants, coffee becomes the first choice. Because we can use it both internally and externally. We can drink it and take advantage of it in our body, also we can put it on the surface of our skin, and gain extra benefits such as brightening our skin. Coffee can treat clogged pores in long-term use, as well as brightens our skin immediately after using it on the skin. You can make a wonderful whitening coffee mask with only 1 tablespoon of coffee powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, and 1 tablespoon of low or zero-fat yogurt. Are you asking how to make it? Easy. Just mix these ingredients and put them on your face and your neck for 30 minutes, let it dry, and then rinse it with cold water. This mask will work incredibly for oily skins who suffer from acne. The vitamin C in turmeric reduces dullness out of your skin, and at the same time yogurt's AHA, alpha hydroxide acid will help you with decreasing acne appearance as well as acne scars. Turmeric may retain some yellowness on your skin for 2 to 3 hours, but don't worry, you can clean it with toner or you don't have toner. You can clean your face with a cotton ball and some drops of low-fat milk or rose water. Try this mask only twice a week, and after 2 months you will see the result, which is a bright and even skin without acne and scars. Coffee is an anti-aging mask. As a great source of caffeine, antioxidants, and vitamin B3 or niacin, applying coffee directly to your skin can help you a lot with fighting aging effects on the skin. These ingredients are the most effective ones in making skin firm and tighten, and what you get after using this mask is firm skin that looks younger and fresher. You need 1 tablespoon of coffee powder, 1 tablespoon of honey, and ½ teaspoon of pomegranate seed oil for having a great anti-aging mask. Pomegranate seed oil is one of the rarest oils that affect collagen production, but it will be amazing if you have dry skin. Oily and combination skin may show some acne allergic to it. For oily skins, you can use low-fat yogurt instead of pomegranate seed oil. Mix these in a bowl and apply them to your clean and dry skin. Leave it for 30 minutes and then rinse it gently. Now you are aware of caffeine's goodness. Not only for drinking but also for external usage, make sure you do not overuse it. And before applying any mask on your face, try it on a little spot on your arms to check your allergic reactions such as redness, rashes, or itchiness. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.